Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legal Aid Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hello friends, in today's topic we will talk about general power of attorney. Now what is this general power of attorney? Generally we know it as GPA. GPA meaning general power of attorney. It is a document or an instrument wherein one person authorizes another person to act on his behalf. The person in whose favor this instrument is executed is known as the attorney or simply an agent. And it is the principal, that is the person who executes this document. In simple words, when one person is unable to act on his own for various reasons, gives this responsibility to another person to act on his behalf. A general power of attorney is very convenient, wherein one person can give the responsibility of doing what he is supposed to do to another person for various reasons. It could be a simple principal-agent relationship also. But most of the times, we come across this term GPA or general power of attorney when we are buying property. Usually it is very closely related with property, and hence it becomes very important for us to know this. Now, why a general power of attorney is entered into? Either because the person who owns a property either does not have time, or he is not available at a particular place at a particular given time, or he is not willing to go through the process of putting his signature when a registration happens, which takes a lot of time. Or it could be a company which is represented by a managing director or the other directors who are the authorized signatories, who may not be available to come and sign on behalf of the company, wherein they will be executing the general power of attorney. Usually we are seeing two reasons: one, paucity of time, and non-availability of person. Hence, a GPA is executed by the principal. Now, there are two types of GPA. One is the GPA itself, that is the general power of attorney, and the other is the special power of attorney. Now, what is the difference between them is, a general power of attorney is when, without specifying any particular act or any particular authority, if all authority is given to the agent, it is a general power of attorney. Whereas, if any particular specific authority is given, say for example, if we are talking about in terms of a property, if it is a general power of attorney, then the person who executes the general power of attorney gives the authority to the agent to do anything. Either he can sell or buy a property or gift it or release it or rent it or enter into a developmental agreement or represent the owner of the property, anything that is concerning the property which is to be done. Whereas if it is a special power of attorney, any specific act, it could be just one, sale, or only representing, or representing before the revenue authorities, or representing before the court. So if a specific mention is there of what an agent could do, that would be a special power of attorney. Now it becomes important whether this general power of attorney or special power of attorney is to be registered, or a simple attestation will do, or if it is just executed will do. Today, in most of the states, registration is compulsory with regard to general power of attorney, especially if it is concerning property. So it is incumbent that it is registered. When usually we come across this general power of attorney when we are buying property. So what needs to be kept in mind when you are buying a property and it is sold through a general power of attorney? First, ensure that the general power of attorney is registered and it is as latest as possible. And thirdly, most important, ensure or find out that the principal, that is the person who has executed, is alive. Because if the person dies, the person who has executed the general power of attorney dies, the power given or the authority given dies with him. So these are the few points that needs to be kept in mind when you are buying a property under a general power of attorney. Now, who can execute a general power of attorney? A company can execute a general power of attorney. Any adult can execute a general power of attorney for any purpose. Generally, we are talking about property. It could be movable property, it could be immovable property, or even to represent your business, a general power of attorney can be executed. So depending on what is the reason, what power or authority is being conveyed to the agent, it will be classified as general power of attorney or special power of attorney.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalaidtrust.in. Kindly click on the bell icon to subscribe this channel and stay updated about various law-related educational videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.